In this question it is given that what is the escape velocity for a body on the surface of a planet on which acceleration due to gravity is 3.1 raised to 2 and whose radius is 8100 kilometer. So we know the equation for escape velocity, that is equal to under root of 2 into g into r. So the general equation was v is equal to under root of 2gm divided by r. If you want to write it in terms of acceleration due to gravity, we can divide it and multiply it by r. So we'll get the term gm by r square, which is acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So escape velocity on another planet, let's say that is v dash, is equal to, we can take it as something but 2 into acceleration due to gravity is 3.1 square and whose radius, so over here you can take it as its acceleration due to gravity on that planet is something but 3.1 square, and the value of radius is given as something but 8100 kilometer, and 1 kilometer we can take it as 10 raised to 3 meters. So we can write this will be equal to 2 into 3.1 square into 8100 into 10 raised to 3, which is equal to nothing but 1000. Or you can write it as this is equal to 2 into 3.1 square into 81 into 10 raised to 4 into 10. So this can be written as this 3.1 into root of 81, we can take it as 9, and root of 10 raised to 4 we can take it as 10 raised to 2. Remaining thing is nothing but 2 into root of 2 into 10. This is escape velocity on that planet. Now further we can write this 3.1 into 9 is nothing but 27.9 into 10 raised to 2 into under root of 20. But you can observe that in options it is given in kilometer per second. So this value we are going to get in meters. If you want to get converted it into kilometers, then we should write in terms of 10 raised to 3. So what we'll do is we can write 27.9 into 10 raised to 3, means we are just multiplying with an extra 10. So we can divide it by an extra 10. So we can write under root of 20. So this is 27.9 into 10 raised to 3 meter can be written as something but kilometer, and this is becomes under root of 20 divided by, if you are writing this 10 inside the root, it becomes equal to 100, because we know that root of 100 is nothing but 10. So this 0 get cancelled, or this we can take it as something but 5. So it becomes 27.9 divided by 5 kilometer per second will be the value of its escape velocity.